Hi, my name is Malayla Harding, and this is my Axel Cross A Genetics Explained. Pair number 1 was a male GFP golden. The parent can produce idofire. The parent glows under a black light and has the GFP trait. Parent number 2 is the golden, and it's a female and can produce idofluorin. These are the offsprings. There was 50% golden, 30% GFP golden, 10% GFP albino, 10% albino, and they're all circled on the left. These are the phenotype ratios for GFP albino. There was 2, and that was 10%. GFP golden was 10 and 25%. Albino was 2 and 10%, and golden was 20 and 50%. Explaining melanin. Both parents were able to make melanin. Melanin is explained as 2 capital M's. That would be homozygous, or heterozygous. 2 of these offsprings are unable to make melanin, so both parents have to be heterozygous melanin in order for this to be possible. The possible crosses 4 and 5 and 6, at least one offspring that cannot create melanin. So that leaves us with possible cross 4, 5, and 6. Possible cross 4 is a 2 lowercase m's and a heterozygous. Possible cross 5 is 2 of the lowercase m's, and possible cross 6 was 2 heterozygous. For possible cross 4, this would mean only one parent wouldn't. This would mean one parent wouldn't have melanin, but this isn't true. Possible cross 5, this would mean both parents wouldn't have melanin, and this is also not true. So it has to be possible cross number 6. This is the explanation for GFP. GFP is explained as 2 uppercase G's homozygous, or uppercase and lowercase g heterozygous. Only one parent had the ability to make GFP. 2 of the offsprings could make GFP albino, and GFP golden. Possible crosses 2, 6, and 3 have both parents that have GFP, but this isn't true. Possible cross 5 says that both parents do not make GFP, which is also not true. So this leaves us with possible crosses 1 and 4. Possible cross number 1 is 2 lowercase a's and 2 uppercase a's. Possible cross 4 is 2 lowercase a's and a uppercase and a lowercase a. So this is the table I made for possible cross 1, and it makes all uppercase A and lowercase a, and if it's an uppercase A and a lowercase a, this means that it would create the ability to have GFP. But not all the offsprings had GFP, so that means it wouldn't be possible for it to be possible cross number 1. So that leaves us with our only option, possible cross 4. The end. Thank you for watching.